Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming here today at the Mayor's Conference Room. I am Olga George, Mayor Gainey, and the City of Pittsburgh Press Secretary, joining us to talk about the media events that the Mayor will be taking part in is the Interim Communications Director, Sydney Cooper. Sydney?
Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday to you. As always, we are here to share important updates regarding key events and initiatives that Mayor Gainey will be partaking in this week. Later this morning, Mayor Gainey will join the Department of City Parks, Pittsburgh Public Schools, American Dairy Association Northeast, and Greater Pittsburgh Community Food Bank in celebration of their goal of eliminating food insecurity by providing Pittsburgh youth with nutritious meals while they are on summer break from school. The Summer Food Service Program is a free program intended to benefit individuals up to 18 years of age and intellectually disabled individuals up to 21 years of age. This kickoff event is in conjunction with the Roving Art Cart's 50th anniversary celebration, which offers free, fun, and creative outdoor art projects to engage kids age 5 to 12. This is a huge deal because not only will our children be able to have meals over the summer, but they will also have a place to be creative, enjoy arts and crafts, and story time. And in the afternoon, Mayor Gainey will stand in solidarity with Senator Lindsey Williams and the East Liberty Family Health Care Center in the fight to protect Medicaid provisions. East Liberty Family Health Care Center is a trusted, federally qualified health center delivering comprehensive, compassionate, and community-based care to over 10,000 patients annually across Pittsburgh, regardless of insurance status or ability to pay. We know that if Medicaid is cut, it will cut access to care for thousands of low-income patients who rely on coverage to manage chronic conditions, receive preventative services, and avoid hospitalizations. Mayor Gainey will provide brief remarks, continuing his commitment to making sure that Medicaid is protected for every Pittsburgher. Mayor Gainey will join Allegheny County Executive Sarah Innamorato, the Mentoring Partnership Executive Director Colleen Fetter, and various local mentoring program executives in celebration of the 30th anniversary of the Mentoring Partnership with Cake at the Courthouse. The Mentoring Partnership was founded in 1995 by Ambassador Dan Rooney of the Pittsburgh Steelers and George L. Miles Jr., then head of WQED. As a capacity building organization and the lead local authority on youth mentoring, TMP provides free training and services to 500 plus programs serving 20,000 plus kids in our region every year. The mayor will present TMP with a proclamation on behalf of the city to mark the occasion. This year, the organization plans to double down on efforts to raise awareness of the importance of strong relationships for all kids. On Wednesday, the mayor will have an audience with leadership and members of the Data Disaggregation Action Network for the Disaggregation Nation Data Equity Summit. That's a mouthful. The summit will advance efforts to strengthen data disaggregation policy and practice at both the state and national levels. The mayor will share insights on the importance of accurate, inclusive, and equitable data in helping city leaders to understand and meet the needs of residents, and will also share initiatives the city is undertaking to advance data equity. And later in the evening, Mayor Gainey will lace up his skates and join City Parks and PGH Skate for the Summer Family Roller Skate Night at Shenley Park Roller Rink. Residents are invited to join us for a fun and free night of roller skating, and while there, learn about the rich history of roller skating in Pittsburgh's Black community. Information about where to snag your free ticket is available at pittsburghpa.gov on the Juneteenth celebration page. On Thursday, Mayor Gainey will celebrate Juneteenth. The holiday marks the end of slavery in the United States. This is a day of liberation and an opportunity for us to celebrate Black freedom, resilience, and excellence. On Friday, Mayor Gainey will have an audience with the Department of Mobility and Infrastructure at the ribbon-cutting ceremony for the Davis Avenue Bridge. The Davis Avenue Bridge reconstruction project aims to reconnect the Brighton Heights neighborhood to Riverview Park. The previous bridge, constructed in 1898, was a pin-connected cantilever deck truss, and featured ingenuity for its day. However, the bridge lacked modern insight into necessary safety and maintenance features and had limited capacity for heavily loaded vehicles. Ultimately, the bridge was demolished by the city in 2009, The new Davis Avenue Bridge will function as a bike and pedestrian bridge and feature modern building designs, materials, and insights while emulating the aesthetic established by the prior bridge. We will be sure to release more information about this opening later in the week. On Friday, Mayor Gainey will join Pump to celebrate the Pittsburgh Passport Kickoff event. This program engages with summer interns, grad students, and college students in the city from all around the world. The event allows students to learn more about the city of Pittsburgh, what the region has to offer, make social connections with the hopes of them choosing Pittsburgh as a place to live, work, and thrive. And on Sunday, Bethel AME Church will celebrate Juneteenth, and Mayor Gainey will join them at the 2025 Juneteenth Worship Celebration. The mayor will give brief remarks and looks forward to joining congregants in the spirit of unity, justice, and praise as we celebrate Juneteenth. A few updates now. Yesterday, the city of Pittsburgh celebrated the grand reopening of Ream Pool in Mount Washington following repairs to its cement structure and pool liner just in time for the start of summer pool season across the city. Mayor Ed Gainey was on hand to cut the ribbon alongside Councilwoman Teresa Kell-Smith, City Parks Director Catherine Vargas, and Department of Public Works Assistant Director and Facilities Division Lead Chip Gall, whose team, led by Project Manager Giselle Espinoza, successfully completed the repairs. The pool, a community fixture for children, families, and seniors, have been closed for a full season due to the necessary repairs. This reopening signals a renewal of the city's investment in its recreational facilities and a deepening of its commitment to providing safe, welcoming spaces for all Pittsburghers. On behalf of the City of Pittsburgh and the Office of Mayor Ed Gainey, I'd like to thank you for attending today's briefing. I'll open the floor up now for any questions, if there are any. Seeing that there is none, thank you all so much and hope you have a great week.